Now, I'm also the president. I created a coalition called New Jersey One Plan, One Nation. You may have heard that phrase. It's on the website. It was adopted by Healthcare Now, and there have been variations of it used throughout the country. But we have that statewide coalition in New Jersey. You can go to that website, which is nj1plan.org, and our link is with Healthcare Now. But we have numbers. We have created a win-win campaign. We have proven that in the state of New Jersey, if we were to eliminate the state workers' health care and put them in single payer, we can save the state $1.5 billion. If we were to do away with the charity care that went to the hospitals, the freebies, we ought to be thinking about the so-called people that are running these hospitals. Let's go open up their books. How are they losing all this money? And don't blame it on the people that come in for emergency care either. But that's another argument into itself. But if we eliminated the charity care that went to these, we'd save almost another $1 billion. That's $2.5 billion just from those two issues. And that's not even counting going down, and we know Jersey has layers of bureaucratic government. So you got the municipalities, and you got the school boards, and the counties, and every one of those has to pay their workers or pay the politicians a certain amount of money for their health care. If we were to eliminate that, just think of all the billions of dollars that would be saved. We figured out that in New Jersey, the retirees, $58 billion. If we were to put the retirees on single payer, we could save the state $58 billion. We wouldn't be hearing a peep from the governor. There would be no excuse whatsoever. We'd have the money to sustain the state. We'd have the money to keep the workers working. There'd be no excuse to use the public workers as an albatross around the neck of New Jersey when we know it isn't, because it's all based on Wall Street. They put us in this position. The greed of Wall Street did it. So who do we go after? We go after the public workers and their benefits. Do we go after Goldman Sachs, Bank of America? The ones that sucked us dry. The ones that caused pension plans to collapse. That have caused state governments to go into issues like this. So if we had single payer, just think how the country as a whole could benefit. We wouldn't be even hearing a peep out of Wisconsin.